name is Chris Blaze, and we're here at the... I'm not good at this either.
Come on, man.
Hi, my name is Chris Blaze, riding for the Red Bull KTM Rally team out here doing some practice at the Best in Desert Vegas to Reno, the longest off-road race in the U.S., and we're here to have a good time and have some fun.